Oh, yes.
A ladybird, you're on camera.
Wrong time of the year.
I said, no, you're on camera.
I found a ladybird.
Don't film me ears.
Oh, sorry, there's a wasp. You find me in my new workspace, dare I call it studio, in my dad's garage. So I'm in here just getting some editing done and working on some stuff. I've got these pillowcases that I bought from a charity shop that I'm kind of pulling apart. This one hasn't been done yet, but I've done this one. When I got here, I didn't pack enough plain fabric for the projects I wanted to do, so that's sort of been, I've kind of started messing around. This is a piece that I cut from the other one. We arrived 2 weeks ago. Cici and I arrived on the Wednesday, and then we picked up Boda on Thursday. So this is our care package for when we pick up Boda. So she's got her favourite stuffy, we've got her leash and harness, some water, wipes and treats, and we're also going to take a blanket for her as well.
Hi, Boda.
You are taking the cage as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Baby.
Hello.
All right.
You okay? Baby.
Say hello. Hi, Boda.
But it was wonderful when she arrived, and she's totally fine. Now we've got a few weeks before Chad arrives. Cici's really missing him. That's been hard for him to be away for so long, but we need him to wrap things up in Asheville and get the house sorted for renting. So far everything's been okay, and the weather has been incredibly nice, temperate. Cici's learning about layers, which is a big thing in the UK because the weather can be so variable in a day. You know, 1 minute it's really hot, the next minute it can be really cold. We're in the middle of a heat wave right now, so I think we can safely say it's going to be on the hot side. Basically, just the days are our own to a certain extent. There's a lot of kind of bits that we need to do. So, for example, go get a bank account sorted. We did that. For the most part, though, we have just been getting settled here, doing a little bit of exploring. And in this video, I'm going to show you, you know, that we went to Rigid Lake and Horton, which is a very nice village, and kind of all the things we've been doing. Even though it's been really smooth, I can't really complain in any way. It is hard being away from Asheville. It's really hard being away from my home. That's difficult, being away from my house, and getting used to the fact that we're not going back is really weird. And you know, I'm hoping that we can just kind of find our feet a bit here, and that's basically it. Cici, come look at this tunnel. Probably stupid to do this looking on the steps. So today we're doing a little canal walk, looking at all the local wildlife and learning about local wildlife projects, and it's really fun.
Yeah, that's it. So there's a whole like bee colonies in these little holes. So yeah,
Really lovely texture.
Potentially made.
You like the little man? Hi. Oh yeah. We've seen them do this on Chris Atomic, haven't we? They're heavy gates, aren't they? They have to be, I suppose. Look at all of them. Cows
You don't
everywhere.
get them in Asheville, do you?
Cows, no.
I mean, in the fields and the pastures.
Yeah, no. Sometimes you do. Goats more than anything else. How old do you think the church is?
Shall we say originally medieval, but it's had certain additions since then.
Originally medieval.
So it says, also Mary Ellen, their daughter, died April 26, 1850, aged 4 years old. Also, Martha Ann died May 19, 1850, 1 year and 6 months old. Also, George, their son, died March 15, 1859, aged 14 years.
So sad, isn't it?
How did they die?
What is the significance of the yew trees in graveyards and in churchyards?
There may be a number of answers to that. A yew is poisonous to all livestock,
Okay.
so it's quite possible
Cece,
they
move.
planted yews to keep livestock away from the churchyards. Secondly, a yew is one of the oldest living trees there is, and therefore the age and the churchyard go together. It's very, very old. As the yew is round there.
Is there also some sort of folklore that they represent eternal life or
They
something?
could do if they live forever. That might be eternal life.
Yeah, true.
Oh, look, so cute.
The writer Rudyard Kipling is named after the lake. What's more interesting is the sculpture of Carlos Trower. Carlos Trower was an African American who escaped slavery and worked the railways of England. He crossed the lake on tightrope and became a famous high rope artist. Links to his incredible life are in the description. There's a bridge in Paris, isn't there? Is it the 9th bridge where people put the locks to... Oh look, they've got all their names on of the people, the couples.
It says, in loving memory of children.
So what they're doing is getting them engraved.
Wait, this was on my birthday.
Really?
22nd February 2024.